So in this video I will show you how you get textures on your Mixamo character. You can see this character is not supposed to look like this. He needs some texture, and this is actually how he should look. So it's actually pretty simple what we need to do, because when you take the characters from Mixamo, the texture is embedded in the 3D model. So we just have to click on the 3D model here and go to materials and then go to textures and say extract textures. And from in here, just to keep things simple and with some kind of structure, you can go and create a new folder called textures. Then go and open it and say select folder. You will then get some errors. You can see he doesn't look quite right, and you can go and fix it with this box here. So the only thing you have to do here is just to say fix now, and now you can see he have textures. So I hope this helped you, and else just have a nice day. Bye.